Which is why I always bring some trail mix in case the flight's delayed. Oh, hello there, and welcome to the Lunch Lab. I'm Professor Fizzy, and usually I'd be helping you whip up a tasty snack, but today I'm going on vacation.
Is this when...
Yes.
But, Professor Fizzy, how will we ever get by without you? How was that?
Don't worry about a thing, gang. To be sure the Lunch Lab runs smoothly while I'm in Tahiti, I've invented the Robo Fizz 2000. Hello there, Lunch Labbers. I've programmed Robo Fizz to cook up a week's worth of great tasting meals. See you later.
Professor, your tickets.
Oh, thanks, Mixie. What would I do without you? Hasta la pasta, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good trip.
See you later.
This wire goes here. Let's see what you cook up now, Robo Freddy.
Good morning, Robo Fizz 2000. Ready to make Avril a tasty breakfast?
How about some granola with milk and fresh fruit?
Granola and fresh fruit does not compute.
Does not compute? That's strange.
Robo Fizz will make something better, like artificially sweet and super sticky pancake-style batter blobs.
Gross.
This can't be right. Professor Fizzy programmed you to cook us something healthy and delicious, not that. What's going on here?
Robo Fizz 2000 is under new management.
Under new management? Sit tight, Avril. I'll just have to whip you up something myself. Oh, what happened to all our ingredients? It's a nutritional nightmare.
Try 'em, you'll like 'em.
Yeah, no thank you.
There's only one thing left to do. Professor Fizzy?
Mixie bot? You don't say. I'll be there in no time. Hey, what's up, guys?
That was fast.
What? I said I'd be here in no time. Get your greasy goodness. Uh-oh! Looks like the Robo Fizz 2000 has been reprogrammed by none other than... Fast Food Freddy! Now that's more like it. Now that's more like it. Oh! I almost forgot. I brought you guys something from Tahiti. It's yogurt parfait with tropical fruit.
Sweet.
You know, now that I'm back, the Robo Fizz 2000 doesn't have much to do. What if we sent it over to Greasy World with a little gift from the Lunch Lab?
Great idea, Professor.
Hello, Freddy. You look upset. Yogurt parfait?
Oh, Professor Fizzy!
You know what goes well with a tasty snack? A little music. Hit it, Freezer Burn!
Watermelon is awesome. Oranges are yum yum. Apples and plums so delicious. Grapefruit, kumquat so nutritious. Fruit is nature's candy. Good to the tongue and never so handy. Give me fruit to energize. Give me fruit all day and night. Mangoes are so serene, but I prefer a nectarine or perhaps a cantaloupe. Don't give me no fake stuff, I'm no dope. Fruit is nature's candy. Good to the tongue and never so handy. Give me fruit to energize. Give me fruit all day and night. Fruit is nature's candy. Woo!
From inside the most famous laboratory in the world, it's Lunch Lab Live with your host, Professor Fizzy.
Welcome back to Fizzy Live. Today's guest is a fabulous and fascinating fruit. Let's hear it for pineapple.
Hey, bro, what's the word?
The word is welcome. So, pineapple. It says here that you're delicious and nutritious.
That rhymes.
All right. So it says here you're also rich in vitamin C and B1.
Radical.
Let's see. I understand pineapple can be eaten raw, but it also tastes great on top of pizza, in smoothies, and salads.
Man, have you ever seen a sunrise on the Pacific? Whoa.
Great story. Wow.
No. Whoa.
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 Okay, let's get back to these important questions. Tell me how you're low in fat and sodium and have no cholesterol.
Professor Fizz, you ever think about how clouds get way up there in the sky?
Well, we're out of time. I'd like to thank my guest, the pineapple, the most laid-back fruit in the world, for stopping by.
Let's hang out anytime, brah. Answering your questions is like totally gnarly.
But you didn't answer a single one.
Hey, can I keep this chair? It rules, bro.
I give up.
Welcome to basic training, cadets! Remember to always cook with adult supervision. Got it? Good. Settle up for another awesome recipe on Corporal Cubs Boot Camp! Hop, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 2, 3, 4. And hold it. Nothing gets me going like an afternoon march. And having a fruit snack helped me keep my energy up the whole time. The reason I'm talking about fruit is simple. 1, it's awesome. And 2, it's featured in today's recipe, the Fab Fruit Kebab. It's an easy one, and it's gonna be super tasty. Ready, cadets? Let's cook! For this recipe, we're going to need 8 small strawberries, 1 large banana, 1 kiwi, and 1 cantaloupe. Oh, and finally, a few wooden skewers. Repeat after me. Step 1.
Step 1.
Have a grown-up cut the banana, the kiwi, and the cantaloupe each into 8 slices. Step 2.
Step 2.
Place 1 strawberry on each skewer. Then 1 banana slice. Then 1 kiwi slice. And finally, the cantaloupe slice. But feel free to create your own order. Wow, that looks pretty tasty. Let me try one of them. Hey! This kebab is kind of fun to eat. I've got 4 different vitamin-packed fruits right here in a handy stick. Wow! Nice work, cadets! That's all for now, but keep up the training! Try making other lunch lab recipes with your family! Join us next time for another tasty episode of Corporal Cubs Boot Camp!
For videos, games, recipes, and more, go to lunchlab.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to never miss a video.